Fourth grade students will be guided through an activity practicing growing patterns. This activity will be both hands-on and collaborative. They will be shown instructions to collect math manipulatives and then follow the growth rules to complete the patterns. The first one is to build a pattern using the rule of add 2, and then a rule of subtract 5, and finally build a pattern using the rule of multiply 4. Once students have worked with a partner to complete these activities, they will be moved on to a slide presentation where they'll be introduced to the concept of digital manipulatives. In this view, students will discuss and discover what pattern is being used. In the next slide, students will have the opportunity to discuss and explore using the manipulatives for themselves by following the link. Students will use this on their Chromebooks, and the teacher could project this screen from the board. So we see that we're using a pattern of add 2. I'm going to start where this one left off by adding my digital manipulatives and continuing the pattern. Students could continue this pattern out for as long as the teacher, or as many terms as the teacher suggested. You get the idea of how this works. Okay, let's navigate back. And before I head on to the next slide, I do want to show you the many options in the Didax Virtual Manipulatives library. If you scroll down, you can see that there are many tools that you would likely use with your students in class. Okay, but for now, we're doing our patterns. So let's go to our next slide where we'll be taken to the independent assignment. I'm going to put this in student view just so you have a better feel of what this assignment will look like. Students are given detailed instructions for how to navigate to the tools, complete the assignment using digital tools, cubes, and patterns. Use the stated rule to build each pattern out 4 terms. When you have completed a pattern, print screen. This gives instructions for printing the screen on the Chromebooks. Continue this process until the assignment is completed and you are ready to upload the images of your work. So once they have completed each of these 4 instructions, they would upload their assignment by going to File, Upload, and each of those pictures that they had printed would be there available for them to turn in. If you are interested in this activity and you need assistance, please reach out to one of us in the EdTech department and we'd be happy to help.